Happy holidays from the Baldwin Borough Public Library.
We're going to work on our gingerbread placement craft. When you pick it up, it should look like this. Just a quick guide on what goes where. You can do it any way you want. I just want to show you the main parts. Make sure all your pieces are out of the bag. Get your placemat. The base part is the brown house. Then you're going to look for this part, which is the roof, the snow on the roof. Goes right there. You're going to peel it. Okay, I'm not going to peel it because it takes too much time. This is the chimney snow. This is your door. Snow for the bottom. Your little person, it'll be either a boy or a girl. Your gingerbread person. Some of you will have a pet, or a tree, or a giant lollipop. Your windows. I'm going to put mine up here. Don't forget your trim. You might want to put your trim down before your windows. That goes under your windows. There's 2 pieces of trim. And then you have all your little decorations that you can put anywhere you want. Candy cane. Little candies. You could put a shape up here. Little colored circles. Then you'll have a whole bunch of little shapes you can push out of your colored square. I'm not going to do that, but you can do that on your own. In my lollipop, and you're done. I hope you enjoy your craft, and happy holidays once again from everybody. Bye!